Hello guys, today we'll make this yummy and beautiful beetroot raita. First of all, take 400 grams of curd and beat it really well. Add green chilies, tomatoes, cucumbers, pomegranate seeds, desiccated coconut, boiled and grated beetroot, freshly chopped coriander leaves, salt and black pepper. Now mix it really well. Now add cumin seeds in hot oil and add it to the curd mixture. Mix it really well. After that, add desiccated coconut, coriander leaves, pomegranate seeds and a little grated beetroot to garnish it. So beetroot raita is ready. Don't forget to follow me. Bye.